Hi students. So today we are going to discuss about boiler draught or draft system. So basically we know that for generating the steam there is a heat transfer from the high temperature flue gases. So for creating or generating that flue gases there is a combustion of fuel. So for combustion of the fuel we need some air, okay, and after combustion the product of combustion should be removed from the system or boiler through the chimney, okay. So for drawing the air and removing the combust or flue gases, there should be some pressure difference, okay, and this pressure difference is known as boiler draught, okay. So the draught or draft is defined as the static pressure difference in the furnace in the various ducts and the stacks. So inside the boiler in different parts there should be pressure difference for drawing the air and removing the product of combustion, and this pressure difference or basically static pressure difference is known as our boiler draught or draft, okay. So the objective already I told that to supply the adequate quantity of air into the furnace for combustion. Sufficient amount of air should supply to the furnace for combustion, then the high product of combustion should be removed from the combustion chamber. So to remove the product of combustion or hot gases or flue gases from the combustion chamber, then next objective is to discharge these gases through the chimney or stack to the atmosphere. So discharging we need to create the draught or draft system, okay. So next let's see the types of draught. So generally there is a two types of draught system is there. One is known as natural draught and another one is known as mechanical or forced draught, okay. So but in modern draught is used which is known as balanced draught. In modern boiler there is a balanced draught, okay. So let's see the what are the different types of draught and how can I define this draught system, okay. So first one is natural draught. So natural draught basically defined that when this draught is produced due to density difference, and this density difference is occurs due to the temperature variation, okay. So natural draught means density difference between atmospheric air and hot gases in the stack or chimney due to temperature variation. So this is our natural draught, and it is produced by chimney or stack only. So in chimney or stack this natural draught is produced due to density difference. So next we have mechanical draught or forced draught or artificial draught. So mechanical draught means when draught is produced by some external device such as fan and blower, then it is known as mechanical draught. When natural draught is unable or insufficient, then we used artificial draught or mechanical draught, okay. So for artificial draught generally two types of fans are used, that is our forced draught fan or we call this as a FD fan, okay. So generally forced draught fan is used in to at the inlet to the air preheater. As we have seen in boiler accessories the flow diagram how the flue gases is flowing. So there we have seen first our air preheater. So that forced draught fan is installed at the air preheater, and generally the first air is entering to the air preheater. So at that time that our air is at cold condition, in cold condition, okay. So basically this FD fan handle cold air. So cold air means less maintenance problem and consume less power. Also low capital is required, okay. So this is our characteristics of forced draught. So next we have induced draught fan or ID fan we call this, okay. So generally it is located at the bottom of the stack or chimney. So as we see that induced draught fan generally handle that high or hot flue gases. Okay, so they handle hot column gases, combustion gases, so hence power requirement is high since the specific volume of that high flue gases is high. As we know that work done is or power is proportional to specific volume. Okay, so that's why the power requirement is high, and due to high temperature there is a oxidation also for this or high temperature corrosion, so that's why the maintenance cost is also high, and by default the capital also will be high. So, and what happened, the flow of air through the grate and furnace is non-uniform. As we know that induced means it is sucking the combustion gases, so due to that when the flow when the air is flowing so through the grate or furnace, it is not uniform, so it is a non-uniform flow. Okay, and always the air leakage occurs inside the furnace or inside the boiler, so there is a no danger of the blowout since our ID fan is inside the boiler, means at the bottom of the chimney, so air leakage always inward direction, so no danger of blowout. Okay, so this is all about our ID fan and FD fan and natural and forced convection. So next we have the balanced draught. So generally this type of draught system is used in modern boiler system. Okay, so balanced draught generally, why we call this balance, because in this kind of draught system we used both forced draught and induced draught. Means if we use forced draught system and induced draught system, then we call this as a balanced draught system. Okay, so generally as we already seen that FD fan installed at the inlet of the air preheater, so FD fan push the atmospheric air through the preheater, damper, various air ducts and the burners into the furnace. Okay, whereas ID fan sucks out the flue gases through the heat transfer surfaces like superheater, economizer, reheater, air preheater, etc. and discharge into the chimney. Okay, so both the advantages of FD fan and ID fan is taken this kind of draught system. That's why in modern boiler mostly balanced draught system is used. Okay, so this is all about our draught system. So next classes we will see the remaining things of the draught system. Okay.